Hello friends, my name is Praveen Burji. Welcome to my channel. Now in this video I am going to solve examples on sphere passing through 4 points. So without delay, let's move towards the green board. Let us study the examples on equations of sphere which passes through 4 points. Find the equation of sphere passing through the point 4 minus 1 2, 0 minus 2 3, 1 minus 5 minus 1 and 2 0 1. Let the given equation of sphere is given by x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0 and say this is equation number 1. Since it passes through the point 4 minus 1 2 means you have to substitute the value for x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 2. So now you have to substitute the value for x, y and z in equation 1. So if you substitute the value for x is equal to 4 here, you will get 4 square is 16 plus, now substitute the value for y is equal to minus 1 square is equal to plus 1 plus, substitute the value for z is equal to 2 square is equal to 4, substitute value for x is equal to 4 here, this 4 into 2 is equal to 8, that is 8u, substitute the value for y is equal to minus 1, that is minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2, that is minus 2v, and substitute the value for z is equal to 2, this 2 into 2 is equal to 4, that is 4w plus d is equal to 0. Now you can also write it as, so first I will write 8u minus 2v plus 4w plus d, so that is 8u minus 2v plus 4w plus d is equal to, this 16 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 21 and you have to transpose this 21 to the right hand side, you will get minus 21 and say this is equation number 2. Now it passes through the second point, that is 0, minus 2 and 3. We get, so again we have to substitute the value for x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to 3. So if we substitute the value of x is equal to 0 in equation 1, 0 square is equal to 0 plus, substitute the value for y is equal to minus 2 here. So minus 2 square is equal to 4, then substitute the value for z is equal to 3, so 3 square is equal to 9. Now substitute value for x is equal to 0 here, so 2u into 0 is 0, substitute the value for y is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, that is minus 4v, and put the value for z is equal to 3. This 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So you will get 6w plus last term is d, so that d is equal to 0. Now the same equation we can also write it as, now I will write first minus 4v plus 6w plus d, that is minus 4v plus 6w plus d, and that is equal to, so this 4 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to 13, and transpose this 13 to the right hand side, you will get minus 13, and say that is equation number 3. Now similarly it passes through the third point, 1 minus 5 minus 1 we get. So here again substitute the value for x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 5 and z is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. If you substitute the value for x is equal to 1 here, you will get 1 square is 1 plus substitute the value for y is equal to minus 5, minus 5 square is 25. Then substitute the value for z is equal to minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1. Then put x value is equal to 1, so 1 into 2 is equal to 2, that is 2u. Substitute the value for y is equal to minus 5, minus 5 into 2 is equal to minus 10, so we can write it as minus 10v, and substitute the value for z is equal to minus 1, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, that is minus 2w, and plus d you can write as it is, that is plus d is equal to 0. Now the same equation we can also write it as, first I will write 2u minus 10v minus 2w plus d, that is 2u minus 10v minus 2w plus d, that is equal to, so this 1 plus 25 plus 1 is equal to 27, and transpose this 27 to the right hand side, you will get minus 27, and say that is equation number 4. Now it passes through the last point, that is 2, 0 and 1 we get. So again here we can write the value for x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 1. So if we substitute the value for x is equal to 2 in equation 1, that is 2 square is equal to 4 plus substitute the value for y is equal to 0, you will get 0 plus substitute the value for z is equal to 1 in equation 1, you will get 1 square, that is 1 plus, now substitute the value for x is equal to 2 in equation 1, we get 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, that is 4u. Substitute the value for y is equal to 0, so 0 into 2 is 0, so you will get 0 plus substitute the value for z is equal to 1, 1 into 2 is 2, that is 2w, and at last plus d we can write as it is, plus d is equal to 0. Now we can also write it as So first I will write from 4u plus 0 plus 2w plus d. So I will write that is 4u plus 2w plus d, that is equal to, you have to add this 4 plus 0 plus 1 is 5 and transpose this 5 to the right hand side, you will get minus 5 and say this is equation number 5. Now we have to solve the equations 2, 3, 4 and 5 and find the value for u, v, w and d. And after getting the values for u, v, w and d, you have to substitute in equation 1, then you will get the required solution. For this, from equations 2, 3, 4 and 5, try to eliminate plus d. To eliminate plus d, we can write it as equation 2 minus 4 gives means plus d, and from equation 5, sorry I will write here 5, equation 2 minus equation 5 means d get cancels. Similarly, equation 3 minus equation 5, again d get cancels. Similarly, equation 4 minus equation 5, then also d get cancels. So we have to operating equation 2 minus 5, equation 3 minus equation 5, equation 4 minus equation 5. Now I will write here equation 2 minus equation 4 gives, sorry, equation 5 gives, not 4, equation 5 gives, means you have to subtract equation 5 from equation 2, you have to subtract means minus sign. After subtracting, the sign changes for equation number 5. After subtracting, sign changes for equation number 5. Now you can add equation 2 and 5. So 8u and minus 4u, 8u minus 4u is equal to 4u minus 2v, and after subtracting we got minus 2w. So here the term containing v is absent, means we can write minus 2v as it is. Now from equation 2 4w, and from equation 5 we have minus 2w. So 4w minus 2w, you will get plus 2w. From equation 4 plus d, and from equation 5 after subtracting you will get minus d, plus d and minus d get cancels, is equal to, right hand side we have minus 21 and after subtracting we have plus 5, minus 21 and plus 5 is equal to minus 16. Similarly, now we can write equation 3 minus equation 5 gives. So you have to subtract equation 5 from equation 3, means you have to subtract minus sign. If you get minus sign, the sign changes for equation number 5. Here we can write minus and here we can write plus. And now we have equation 3 minus equation 5 means minus 4v, and here we are having minus 4u. So first I will write minus 4u as it is, and then minus 4v from equation number 3, and in equation number 5 v term is absent, means we can write minus 4v as it is. Now from equation 3 we have 6w, and from equation 5 we have after subtracting minus 2w. So 6w and minus 2w is equal to 4w. From equation 3 we have plus d, and after subtracting from equation 5 we have minus d. So plus d and minus d get cancels, is equal to, right hand side in equation 3 we have minus 13, and in equation 5 after subtracting we have plus 5. So minus 13 and plus 5 is equal to minus 8. Now similarly equation 4 minus equation 5 gives so equation 4 minus equation 5 means you have to subtract equation 5 from equation 4. So after subtracting the sign changes, that is you will get minus 4u. Here we are having plus means write down minus. Here also plus d means you have to write down minus, and here we have to write down plus. From equation 4 we have plus 2u, and from equation 5 after subtracting we have minus 4u. So 2u minus 4u is equal to minus 2u. Now in equation 4 we have minus 10v, but the term containing v is absent in equation 5, so we can write it as minus 10v only. Now from equation 4 we have minus 2w, and from equation 5 after subtracting we have minus 2w. Minus 2w and minus 2w is minus 4w, and from 4 we have plus d, and from 5 we have minus d. Plus d and minus d get cancels, that is equal to, in right hand side we have minus 27, and here we have after subtracting plus 5. So minus 27 and plus 5 is equal to minus 22. So after subtracting equation 5 from equation 2, 3 and 4, we get new equations, that is equation number 6, this is equation number 7, and this is equation number 8. Now here we have to solve equation 6, 7 and 8. So first try to eliminate this u term from equations 5 and from equation 6 and 7. So if you add this plus 4u and minus 4u get cancels. So now I will write equation 6 plus 7 gives. So if you add equation 6 and 7 means you have to add these two equations. So here plus 4u and minus 4u get cancels, so you will get 0. Then minus 2v and minus 4v, minus 2v minus 4v is minus 6v. Then plus 2w plus 4w, you will get plus 6w, and minus 16 and minus 8 you will get is equal to minus 24. And here if you take 6 common, or you have to dividing throughout by 6, the same equation we can also write it as minus v plus w is equal to minus 4, and say this is equation number 9. Now from equation 7 and 8 we have to eliminate u. So to eliminate u, we can see in equation 7 we have minus 4u, and in equation 8 we have minus 2u. So try to multiplying equation 8 by 2. If you multiplying equation 8 by 2, we get So if you multiplying equation 8 by 2 here, you will get minus 4u and then minus 20v minus 8w, and that is equal to minus 44 if you multiplying with 2. So that now you can see in equation 7 also we have minus 4u, and in equation 8 also we have minus 4u. So on subtracting, 4u get cancels. Now equation 8 multiplied by 2 we get so if you multiplying equation 8 by 2 we get, so if you multiplying with 2 here, 2 into minus 2u is equal to minus 4u, multiplying equation 8 by 2 means for the second term if you multiplying with 2 you will get 10 into minus 2 is equal to minus 20, that is minus 20v. Similarly multiplying with 2 to the third term, that is 2 into minus 4 is minus 8, that is minus 8w, and right hand side if you multiplying with 2, 2 into minus 22 is equal to minus 44. So write down this equation number 10. And now we have to subtracting equation 10 from equation 7. So I will write here equation 7 minus equation 10 gives. So after subtracting equation 10 means sign changes for equation number 10. Here you will get plus sign, here you will get plus, here also you will get plus, and here also you will get plus. After subtracting, sign changes. Now from equation 7, in equation 7 first term we have minus 4u, and here first term we have plus 4u. So u plus 4u and minus 4u get cancels. Now in equation 7 second term we have minus 4v, and here we have after subtracting plus 20v. So plus 20v and minus 4v is 16v. And here third term in equation 7 we have plus 4w, and after subtracting in equation 10 we have plus 8w, plus 8w and plus 4w is plus 12w. In equation 7 in right hand side we have minus 8, and here after subtracting we have plus 44. So 44 plus 8 is equal to plus 36, or if you dividing throughout by 4, the same equation we can write it as 4v plus 3w, means you have to take 4 common and transpose to the right hand side. 9 4s, that is 36. So say this is equation number 11. Now you have to solve equation 11 and equation 9. So in case of equation 9 we have first term as minus v, and in equation 11 we have 4v. So to make one and the same, multiplying equation 9 by 4 we get. So I will write here equation 9, and it is multiplied by 4 gives, means you have to multiplying this equation with 4. So 4 into minus v, 4 into minus v is equal to minus 4v. this 4 into W is equal to plus 4W. That is equal to, if you multiplying with 4 to the right hand side, you will get minus 16. 4 into 4 is equal to minus 16, and say this is equation number 12. And at last, if we solve equation 11 and 12, we will get the values for V and W. So now here first term we have 4V, and here first term we have minus 4V. So on adding we get cancels. So on simplifying you will get the value of W. So I will write here equation 11 plus equation 12 gives. So now you have to add these two equations. So here if you add first term 4V and minus 4V get cancelled, so you will get 0, and then next 3W plus 4W, if you add you will get 7W, that is equal to, if you add the right hand side 9 minus 16, and 9 minus 16 is equal to minus 7, that implies W is equal to minus 1. So this is the first value, and if you get one value, then by back substitution we can obtain the remaining values, that is U, V and W. Now put W is equal to minus 1 in equation 9. In equation 9. So here if you substitute in equation 9, the value of W is equal to minus 1. If you substitute here minus 1, what you will get? Minus V minus 1 is equal to minus 4. If you see equation number 9, this equation if you see, here we have minus V, W is equal to minus 1, and this is minus 4, and on simplifying you will get the value for V is equal to 3. You can solve this, you will get the value of V is equal to 3, which is the second value. Now we have to substitute the value for V and W in equation 7. So we get the value of U. So I will write the equation number 7 once again. So equation number 7 is minus 4U minus 4V plus 4W is equal to minus 8. So this is equation number 7. Put V is equal to 3 and W is equal to minus 1. So if you substitute V is equal to 3 and W is equal to minus 1, you will get minus 4U minus, if you substitute the value for V is equal to 3, means if you substitute here 3, you will get 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 12V. Sorry, 3 into 4 is equal to minus 12 we will get, plus substitute the value for W is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, that is equal to minus 8. So here minus 12 and minus 14 is equal to minus 16. If we transpose to the right hand side, you will get plus 16, and plus 16 and minus 8 is equal to plus 8. So we can write it as 4u, that implies 4u is equal to, minus 4u is equal to plus 8. Therefore, u is equal to minus 2. So this is the value of u is equal to minus 2. Now substitute the value of u is equal to minus 2, v is equal to 3 and w is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. So, we will write here equation number 2. Equation 2 is given by equation 2 is given by 8u minus 2v plus 4w plus d is equal to minus 21. So in this equation you have to substitute the value for u is equal to minus 2, v is equal to 3 and w is equal to minus 1, and on simplifying you will get the value of d. So this 8 into minus 2 is equal to minus 16, then minus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 6, then 4 into minus 1 is equal to minus 4 plus d is equal to 21, and on simplifying you will get the value of d is equal to plus 5. That is minus 16 minus 6 and minus 4 is equal to minus 26. You have to transpose to the right hand side, you will get 1. So minus 21 and plus 26 is equal to 5. So on simplifying we got d is equal to 5, u is equal to minus 2, v is equal to 3 and w is equal to minus 1. At last you have to substitute all the values in equation number 1. Put u is equal to minus 2, v is equal to 3, w is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to plus 5 in equation 1. And what is equation 1? Equation 1 is given by, which is given by x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. In this equation you have to substitute the value for u is equal to minus 2, v is equal to 3, w is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to 5 we get. So we get x square plus y square plus z square plus, you have to substitute value for u is equal to minus 2 here, minus 2 into 2 is equal to minus 4. So I will write as minus 4 that is minus 4x. Then substitute the value for v is equal to 3. This 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So, you will get plus 6y, and substitute the value for w is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2z, and at last the value for d is equal to 5. And if we substitute the value for d is equal to 5, that is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the sphere passing through the given 4 points. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then subscribe my channel and share. See you in the